Today, I'll show you exactly how to set the notification sound on Telegram, whether you want a fresh tone for your private chats, group conversations, or channels. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to personalize your Telegram alerts to match your style, so you never miss an important message or get startled by a loud notification at the wrong moment. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, we're focusing on changing the general notification sound, which basically means setting the default sound you'll hear for most new messages. This applies to chats with friends, group discussions, and channel updates. If you're using an Android device, you'll begin by opening up the Telegram app just like you normally would. So go ahead and open Telegram now. Once you're in the app, look up at the top left corner for the three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Tap on it and it'll slide open the main menu. Sometimes people overlook this step because the icon is pretty subtle, but it's your gateway to all of Telegram's settings. From the menu, you'll want to tap on the Settings option, which is usually near the bottom. This is where all the customization magic happens in Telegram. After you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications and Sounds option and tap it. This brings us to the core section where you can fine-tune how Telegram alerts you. Now scroll down a little until you reach the Notifications section. Take your time here. There are options for private chats, groups, and channels, and each can have its own distinct notification sound. This is handy if, for example, you want a gentle ping for private messages from friends, but maybe something more noticeable for your work group chats. Pick which type of notification you want to customize first. Let's say you want to start with private chats. Tap on the sound option under private chats, here, where you'll see a list of system ringtones appear, sort of like flipping through a music box of alert tones. You can tap each sound to preview what it'll be like in action. Don't worry if you aren't sure which one you want right away. It's perfectly fine to try a few and see which one feels right for you. When you find a sound you like, just tap OK or Save to lock in your choice. If you want, you can repeat the process for groups and channels as well, giving each notification category its own personality. This is especially useful if you follow important news channels or busy group chats. Having different sounds keeps things organized, almost like assigning different doorbells to different visitors for your digital home. And that's it, you've customized your Telegram notification sound. From now on, whenever you get a message in the category you changed, your phone will play your chosen tone. Remember, if you ever want to switch things up, you can always come back to these settings and try out a new sound. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. If you have any questions or ran into any tricky moments, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to give this video a like if it saved you some frustration, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Telegram tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.